That's gallbladder 1. So I'm going to insert a little bit of the video from my course here to show you how to find those 2 points. Between the trapezius muscle and the sternocleidomastoid muscle, there's a hollow space there. And what you want to do is put your thumb underneath the bone into that space. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. And then what you can do is you can kind of lean back into it. So like this, so you can lean into your thumb. Now, if I'm doing this just to be a bit incognito, let's say you're trying to press this, you've got a headache or you are stressed at a meeting or something like that, you don't have to lift all your hair up. You can just palpate underneath there, press underneath in that area. Now, there are a few acupressure points in that area, but the gallbladder 20 is the biggest point. And a little trick you can use is to push with your finger, or just to place your finger in that spot, and then to tilt your head towards your finger or your thumb, and that's going to push your head into the point rather than you needing to put pressure with your thumb or whatever you're doing there.